In chapter number 4, our next topic is order by clause. Let's see what is the purpose of this order by clause. So this particular order by clause helps you to sort the results using one or more column. So when we get our result table, we can sort that, right? Based on one or more columns. Okay. Now there are two ways we can do that. Either we can use ascending order or descending order. So the default sort direction is ascending, and that is described using ASC keyword, right? And explicitly you can mention that one using ASC keyword for ascending order and DESC keyword for descending order, right? Let's try to understand this thing using example. Let's say we have table and we have column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4, right? And now we would like to extract the data, but that data needs to be sorted, let's say in ascending order, right? So this is your syntax. You are saying here select column 1 and column 4. So you need here column 1 and column 4, right, from this particular table, and you're going to order that. You're going to use order by, and you're going to sort that based on the column number 4, right? So you will use this particular column to sort out the data. So when you do not mention anything, your default sort direction is ascending order, right? So let's try to see what are the results. You got the column 1 and column 4, and here the results, they are sorted in ascending order. If you see, these values are going down and they are going on increasing. So this is your ascending order, right? And all values, they are arranged in ascending order in this result table. Now you want to do in reverse way. Let's say you want to sort the table, but it's in it should be in descending order. How you will do that? Again, you will write your select statement. You will take column 1 and then column 4, right, from the table name, and you will say order by using column 4, but here you will mention explicitly your keyword. So your keyword is here DESC, so that's describing descending order. So let's see the results. We got the results. This is your column 1, this is your column 4, and if you see the pattern for this particular values, what's happening, they are going, they are decreasing in each row. So basically these are sorted in descending order, right? So that's all for this order by clause. I hope you were able to understand how to sort the result table in descending and ascending order. Now in our exercise, we're going to implement the concept that we have learned. So question is here, we need to retrieve all the records from the professor table, focusing on professor ID, first name, last name, and salary columns. Here we need only 4 columns from the professor table, and we need to arrange the tables based on salary column in descending order. Okay, let's try to write the SQL query. This is our MySQL Workbench editor, and we are going to write the SQL query for our exercise. So let me copy the question here. Now we need to retrieve all the records from professor table, right, for these four columns, and then we need to sort our results based on the salary column in descending order, right? So to access the records from the professor table, which is under professor management database, we need to select the database, right? So we'll use keyword use professor management, right? So this is how we selected our database. Now we need to select the professor ID, first name, last name, and salary columns. I will write these one by one here, right? And I will say, now I need to mention from, right? From table name. So this is our table name, right? Professors. And we need to sort that table in descending order. So we'll say order by clause. So we mention here, and column name is salary, right? And then we will write DESC in descending order, right? Okay. For a second, let's forget about this and just execute these statements, SQL query, right? We got our results, but if you see this particular salary column, so these results they are not sorted, right? Now we need to sort those results in descending order, right? Now we use, for that purpose, we use order by clause and the column name and the DSC keyword for a descending order. Now let's execute this query. Okay, check here uh, the salary column, right? If you see the column and its values, these are decreasing one after another, and at the bottom you will see the lowest value, right? So now they are sorted in descending order. Just for fun, let's how to sort this table in ascending order, right? If I just write ASC keyword here and execute this query, now we'll get the table, but it's in orange units in ascending order, right? You see here the lowest value is on the top for the salary and highest at the bottom. So everything looks good. I think that's all for this particular topic. All right. If you have any questions or comment, just let me know. All right. Thank you.